You ever had a big project at work or school, a midterm or a final where you just needed that extra boost to concentrate? Well, now you can literally zap your brain into gear. Devices you can purchase online shoot small electric currents into your head. But do they work? And who's making sure they're safe? We take a closer look in an Action News special assignment.
Stephen Lineweber is very smart, but he found his day job was sapping all his mental energy.
There would be this feeling of like, I'm tired, this is a lot of work, or I'd start to get a little foggy.
He wanted to clear the fog to take on extra hobbies, so he did some research and decided to try something called transcranial direct current stimulation, or tDCS.
Even though I'm not a medical expert, I thought I'd give it a try.
With tDCS, you put electrodes on your head that send a low dose of electric current, supposedly to your brain. It's used by doctors in clinical settings, but there are also devices you can buy online. Many claim the technology can do everything from provide relief for depression to increase cognitive performance.
tDCS is not a fringe technology, so it's not a tinfoil hat type thing. So there have been over 1,000 published studies on tDCS showing that it potentially has effects both for treatment and for enhancement.
Anna Wexler is doing her doctoral thesis on the at-home tDCS market. She says the current is so low you cannot be electrocuted, and the biggest physical risks reported are skin burns and headaches. But leading researchers recently wrote an open letter warning that messing with the level of current or duration can actually reverse the effect and cause the opposite change in brain function.
There's another kind of safety which people talk about and that researchers are very concerned about, which is the effects of long-term use, the unknown risks.
One manufacturer told us tDCS is not regulated by the FDA and is not considered a medical procedure or device. We asked the FDA about the claims, and the agency told us it couldn't comment on whether these devices have undergone the appropriate clearance or approval. So when we turned to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, they said tDCS is not in its jurisdiction due to the medical claims.
I think what's really needed is further enforcement clarity about which agency will be stepping up to the plate to be the primary regulator of these devices.
Lineweber isn't concerned about regulation. He says the risk is worth the reward. Since he started tDCS, he's mastered the Rubik's Cube, built a supercomputer, and a 3D printer, all in his spare time.
The effect that I experience is that ability to absorb more information more easily and with less time.
The FDA says it always advises consumers to consult a healthcare provider before using any new device.